Right now, every single thing humans have ever manufactured, from smartphones to life-saving medicines, shares one massive flaw because it was built under the crushing weight of Earth's gravity, which acts like an invisible hand pulling down on liquids, mixing materials unevenly and creating microscopic imperfections. To solve this, the world's biggest tech and medical companies are launching automated factories into orbit, realizing that the ultimate environment for manufacturing isn't on Earth, but in the void of space where zero gravity allows for the production of flawless fiber optic cables that can transmit data up to 100 times faster, and enables 3D bioprinters to perfectly construct complex human organs and delicate cancer drugs without them collapsing into a puddle. This isn't science fiction for the distant future. Companies like Varda Space Industries are already flying autonomous manufacturing capsules into orbit that cook materials for weeks before dropping the finished products back down to Earth, signaling a trillion-dollar off-world industrial revolution happening 250 miles above our heads. Will your next phone or medicine be made in space? It's highly likely. Hit that subscribe button to stay ahead of the future and let me know in the comments. What would you build if gravity didn't exist? Thanks for watching.